Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. The Toyota RAV4 has long been a favorite in the compact SUV market, consistently ranking as one of the best-selling vehicles globally. With the release of the 2025 model, Toyota continues to raise the bar by incorporating cutting-edge technology, fuel efficiency, and a fresh design that will appeal to both families and adventurers. This article takes a deep dive into the 2025 Toyota RAV4 to explore its new features, performance, and how it compares to previous models. Overview of the 2025 Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 represents a seamless blend of style, efficiency, and versatility. While keeping the core DNA that has made it such a success over the years, the 2025 model introduces key upgrades in its design, technology, and powertrain options. Available in a variety of trims, from the baseline to the more luxurious limited and rugged TRD off-road, the 2025 RAV4 caters to a wide range of drivers. Price: starting at $29,500 estimated. Exterior design: bold and adventurous. Toyota has given the 2025 RAV4 a subtle facelift, enhancing its bold and rugged look. The front grille is more prominent, with sharper lines that give the SUV a commanding road presence. Updated LED headlights and taillights provide a sleeker, modern appearance, and there are new color options to choose from, including a trendy metallic blue and earthy copper tone. The TRD off-road model, in particular, stands out with its more aggressive design, featuring larger wheels, raised suspension, and enhanced off-road capabilities. With the right set of options, the RAV4 can transition smoothly between urban commutes and weekend adventures. Interior comfort and technology: a refined experience. Step inside the 2025 Toyota RAV4, and you'll immediately notice the emphasis on comfort and technology. The spacious cabin seats 5 comfortably, with ample legroom and cargo space. Soft touch materials and an ergonomic layout contribute to a premium feel across all trims. Technology plays a central role in enhancing the driving experience. The RAV4 is equipped with Toyota's latest 12.3-inch multimedia touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an integrated Amazon Alexa. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time data on vehicle performance, and the available JBL premium audio system ensures an immersive sound experience. Hybrid engine. The hybrid variant offers a 2.5-liter engine combined with electric motors for a total output of 219 horsepower. It not only delivers excellent performance but also boasts an impressive 41 mpg in combined driving, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs on the market. RAV4 Prime Plug-in Hybrid. For those looking for a green option with serious power, the RAV4 Prime is the way to go. This plug-in hybrid produces a staggering 302 horsepower and offers an electric-only range of up to 42 miles. The RAV4 Prime can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds, making it one of the quickest in the segment. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota's standard excellence. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 package comes standard in the 2025 RAV4, offering a robust set of driver assistance features. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 2025 model also sees enhancements in blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert systems, providing added confidence when navigating tight spaces or changing lanes on the highway. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Ride safe and see you in the road.